The pool house, got the rugs in, we got furniture in, but we have pool table, ping pong table, arcade games, stuff to really warm it up. It still feels really empty out there. I think it's because it's such a big space and there's tile in, but there's a lot done, but a lot left to do out there for sure. Okay, so now out in the pool house, we went with a big oversized tile instead of wood, since it is separate than the house in case the power came out and all that stuff. But it is a pool house, but it's functioning as a guest house because they have a lot of family that comes in and stays. So we did this awesome sleeper sofa. It's got a full actual like kitchen in it, which is cool, with a table. Still have to put in the ping pong table, the pool table. They have some really cool arcade games, like the old school arcade games that are gonna come in. And then there's like a whole gaming system that we did another sofa. All of it's custom furniture, but it turned out really well, and it's actually super comfortable, but it folds out to a full queen. Actually, I think it might be a king. We ended up going with the king. Did all of our rugs in here. We still have to do super cool artwork. Did Roman shade, or not even Roman shades, woven shades. Basically the same thing to black out. Another big reason why we do the automation system on like the shades and the drapes is they can control it all from their phone or remote or an app, but they can put it on timers, and a lot of that is to save how much they've invested in furniture. That way it can block out the sun, because the sun damages, it's funny how much the sun damages stuff, and it will fade colors and textures. And so we work with budget bonds a lot, and it will close like with the sun and open back up, or for privacy and security. So everything in the whole house, the pool house, the main house, all that is automated and on, yep, timers with the sun. So